In this video, I will show you how to change TikTok country and region. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open TikTok on your device. Now make sure that you are signed in into your TikTok account. Head over to your profile by clicking on that profile button at the bottom right of your screen, and then click on these three lines at the top right of your screen, and then select settings and privacy. So in here, go ahead and head over to content preferences. So you'll find that under content and display, and then add languages associated with your target region. This influences the content TikTok shows you. Now, after you do that, you can go ahead and proceed with switching the app language. So head back into the settings and privacy section. So go ahead and close this, and then head back to settings and privacy. And then from here, head over to the language section. And then in here, go ahead and click on app language, and then select a language used in your target region. This can help TikTok tailor your feed accordingly. And that is how you can basically change TikTok country and region. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.